On last week's video, I was asking you guys, the viewers, what you think about this old dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace, but more specifically, how I refinished this dresser and the final outcome. If you missed that video, let me fill you in. I painted this entire dresser after sanding it down with a blue-gray Beyond Paint color, and then I put a bunch of random colors up on top to try and create this old look that I did on a dresser a couple years ago. It didn't exactly turn out the same way, but I was curious if you guys think I should keep going with adding more colors to the top and making it look more distressed, or if you guys think I should sand off the entire top and stain the wood underneath. So when I originally posted this dresser up on Facebook Marketplace, I posted it up for $200 and had no luck for the past 2 or 3 weeks. I decided last week actually to haul the dresser up into the garage and sand the entire top off, start from scratch, and stain the wood top, and it turned out really nice. And since it's been on Facebook Marketplace reposted with that new wood top, it's been 1 week and I've had 1 message, so hopefully there will be a sale soon. Do you think this was the right move? Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and if you're new to Sla Art Refinishings, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Make sure you're subscribed for a new video every Sunday at 7 p.m. Thanks a lot, take care, we'll see you in the next one.